Educational nursery rhyme videos for kids are one of the most watched niches on YouTube. They're pulling in billions of views, both with long-form content and with shorts. That's why I'm convinced this niche is a great opportunity to start a channel as long as you keep the content friendly and watchable for this audience. I'm serious. To create these videos, first head over to ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for nursery rhymes visuals and select this one. Start a new chat and the GPT will ask you to provide a few variables. Fill them in. I'll go with a boy in the park going down the slide, blue eyes, a red t-shirt, and blue pants. The GPT will then generate a set of text-to-image prompts. Copy the first one and go to OpenArt. Click on the Image tab and switch the model to Nano Banana Pro. Paste in your prompt, set the ratio to 16:9, and set the resolution to 2K. Then choose how many images you want. I'll go with 2 and click Generate. Nano Banana will generate 2 images like these, and they look great. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy each of the B-roll prompts, and generate them using the same method. Repeat this process until you have a solid set of images to build your nursery rhyme. Once you have all your images, go to the Video tab and select Kling 3. Upload your image and type in your video prompt. I keep it simple. For example, he's sliding down the slide. Set the duration to 5 seconds and generate the video. You'll end up with animations like this. For the song, go to 11 Labs, click on Music in the side menu, describe what you want to hear, and generate your track. Finally, edit everything together in any editing software, and you'll end up with a cool nursery rhyme like this.
Swing and slide, 1, 2, 3. Kick the ball so happily. Bounce and shoot, jump around. Laughing feet go touch the ground.
To get all the links and tools I use, don't forget to like plus subscribe and see you in the next video.